Hello there. Good morning. God bless you. Welcome to Soul Raymond Ministries, HomeGrown Series, sponsored by the Household of Faith. What you're looking at right now is my grapevine. I live in the DFW Metroplex, and this is the first week of August. Let me tell you, baby, the temperatures are back up to the hundreds, and it's here to stay for a while. We had a break where they were down in the 90s, even though the humidity was high. Now, I got these grapevines from Walmart. In there, and I did, there's a tag that tells me what kind they are. These are laundry baskets that I bought at the Dollar Tree a few years ago. When I thought about planting the vines, I thought, okay, what can I put them in? And grapevines are kind of funny. They look dead on the bottom. I just keep watering them, they keep growing. Okay? Now, it was a test to see if I could just grow them. And so these are the four as I've just passed through them. All right. Now, trellises. I went to Home Depot. No, I'm sorry, Lowe's. I got these 1x2 poles. Okay. These 1x2 poles that I then took this fence wire and zip ties, which you can see some of the zip ties have come off over time. And I'll need to redo them. I probably won't since I'm going to be moving. I'm probably not going to worry about them. Now, I did have some grapes on here earlier. They're all gone now. And I did pick some and they were, oh my God, they were delicious and sweet. I really, really enjoyed them. So let me tell you, you can grow grapes at home. You can grow your own grapes. If you want to make jelly, if you want to make wine, whatever it is that you want to do, you are free to do that. I really did a little bit of research on them, not nearly as much as I should have or will, because I am relocating to Colorado. But this is just an example of something that you can grow. They didn't cost that much money. I don't remember honestly, $6.99 or something like that is what I paid for the grapes. Like I said, they don't look perfect. They're not. Okay. I don't really have as much information on them as I should. And right now, I'm just wanting to show you what I'm growing to encourage you to grow. These are all new leaves, all of them, all over all four. I don't know which are the green and which are the red, but I do know that they're growing and I know that they're producing. This is the second year I've had them, so I'm expecting a, a good harvest next year with them. So I want to encourage you to grow what you like, knowing that grapevines take up space. They will take some care. I could put them along the back fence. I really could, but since I'm not going to be here, I'm not going to worry about that. All right. So check out our Facebook group, In Time Urban Gardening, um, Tips and Advice. You know, it's a public group. You can see what we post. Before you join, please join. Please subscribe to this channel. And we're going to keep you updated and as we continue to go through the garden. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Stay strong in the Lord. Stay motivated to do always what you know is right. Goodbye.